This is going to be a video on some of my Dio racing pipes, but we have a little bit of drama going on right here. For some reason, this cat has spotted another cat, and she ain't too happy with the other cat wherever it went. You go get him, cat. Oh, there's the other cat right there. It's like the song goes, you gotta keep them separated. Anyway, these are 4 of the 6 pipes that I own today. And what I do is, when I buy these pipes, I keep them. And I've had probably 9 pipes altogether. My first one was a Leo DeVance for a 60cc. Beautiful pipe, of course. I sold the engine, sold it with it, and looking back, I probably should have kept that. These are 4 pipes that I have in stock right now. There is one on the bike in my room, and there is another one like this expansion chamber right here, which this part right here is straight off the back. Anyway, Frankie was asking to do a thing on pipes on how you can tell which pipes are made for under cc's and over 100 cc's. And this is my take on it. Okay, and I'll use this ruler right here. This is a standard Fongier PG. I believe it's a long pipe. I think it's called long pipe. I've heard they have a short pipe, but I'm not sure what the difference is. Anyway, this is a beautiful pipe right here for anything under, in my world, now I don't know, you know, anywhere else because I don't race with anyone else, under up to 100 cc's. I have put this on 114 cc, and it just seems to heat up and strangle the engine because it's just not putting out enough. It's not big enough. And then, of course, I was talking to some guys in the islands years and years ago, and they said if you take out this inner core right here, it'll go faster. Well, I tried to take it out. It didn't quite work out, so it's been sitting in my shed for the last 5 years. The difference between a small stroker pipe and a large stroker pipe, in my opinion, and this is because Frankie asked me to do this, and I'll just give you my opinion on it because I have a few pipes around here. Ooh, here we go, here we go. It's a neighbor cat. Gotta keep them separated. Let's take this Fongier right here. The way I do it is I measure the here we go. Here we go, it's on. Go get him. Get him. Take him out. Take him out. Remember the Offspring song? Walla Walla. Gotta keep them separated. Well, we're in Walla Walla. And yes, we do have a huge prison here. And it's badass. As far as, there's not a lot of choir boys up there. That's right. Take 'em out. Take 'em out. Gotta keep them separated. Shit, I should make a video on that. Anyway, let's get back to the pipes.